How to log in into HDFC Bank Netbanking account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Launch a browser to search for HDFC Login. Select on the first suggestion shown. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of HDFC Bank. To log in into your HDFC Netbanking account, at the top you will see the login button. Tap on it. In here, you can log in based on the type of the feature that you prefer. Select on Net Banking. To log in, just enter your customer ID or user ID and tap on the Continue button. Select on Forgot Customer ID if you have forgotten the credential. Follow the prompt provided to you to recover your account. This should be a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, check out the help and support of HDFC or ask Eva, that is the agent of HDFC. In the chat box, just type in your issue that you're facing in your HDFC account. Eva will get back to you with the suggestion. Follow the instructions provided by it. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.